The S2 Expedition RV cover from Avell is a feature-rich cover with outstanding performance characteristics. The S2 Expedition comes with a storage duffel that can be used to repack and stow the cover when not in use. The product includes a ladder cap goes over the ladder to help protect the cover. The printed guide goes over instructions for care and installation. A handy reinforcement patch is added to help reinforce or repair the cover. The strap kit includes straps for the roof load support system and for the belly straps. A toss bag helps to make securing the belly straps easier. The roof of the S2 Expedition cover is made of durable marine-grade woven polyester material. It has been treated with UV inhibitors to promote longer fabric life. The roof is also equipped with the Endurance Roof Strap System. This strapping system helps to take the weight and stress of the sidewalls off of the roof panel, promoting longer life and superior performance. There are multiple dual-flow VORTEX vents placed on the sides of the cover to promote airflow, to help reduce overheating, and to keep the cover from billowing. The zippers on the cover are heavy-duty nylon zippers, which are very strong and extremely durable. They have extended pulls, which make it easier to reach the zippers from the ground. Velcro closures at the bottom of the zippers ensure the panels stay closed. Zippers are placed at multiple points on both sides, front, and rear of the cover so that it's easy to access any part of the vehicle without having to remove the entire cover. There are full-height tension flags on the front and rear, which allow the user to fold in any excess material and create a snug, custom-like fit. Heavy-duty 2-inch straps are used to hold the end panels in place. The side panels have extra-wide, reinforced horizontal tension flags, which are used to hold the cover in place. These flags have quick detach buckles that connect to the belly straps of the cover. Using the handy toss bag makes installing these straps a much simpler process. The S2 Expedition RV cover by Avell is sure to help protect your RV for many years to come.